Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my video yesterday, I showed how Bitcoin pulled back from 114,500 down to 113,000 before climbing right back. Today we are testing the blue horizontal at 114,700. If this area finally gives way, the next key zones sit at 116,400, 118,500, and then above 120,000. Looking at the heat map data, this analysis aligns well. On the one-day view, the 115,000 level glows above current price. On the three-day view, both 115,000 and 116,000 stand out, with 116,000 being the hottest level. On the one-month heat map, the largest upper pocket stretches from 118,000 all the way to 120,000. A few days ago, I shared my thesis that September would close strong as long as we did not break below 108,500. That played out, and September closed with a gain of about 5.16%. Historically, September averages a loss of around 3.08%, so this outcome is significant. It sets the stage for a potentially green fourth quarter, with data suggesting highs could reach above 200,000 in December if historical averages play out again this year. ETF activity also closed the month on a strong note. On September 30th, inflows reached $429.9 million, led by BlackRock with $199.4 million, followed by ARK with $105.7 million. In related news, Tether added 8,800 Bitcoin, worth nearly $1 billion at current prices, to its reserves. This continues a broader pattern of institutional accumulation, even as some large holders have sold around $16 billion worth since the halving in 2024. Combined with ETF inflows, this highlights the strong role of institutions and corporates in Bitcoin adoption. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Leave a comment for the algorithm. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with the notification bell turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.